Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another lesson. Today's lesson is going to be on, can you tell me? Do you think you know? Very good. The plants. Very good. Now, we started this lesson last term. We started all this unit last term, but unfortunately it got cut short and we didn't get to finish the two other parts of the plant, which we're going to learn about during this period. So, we have learned about the roots and we have learned about the, what is this part? Who remembers? Very good, the stem. Now those two parts have very important jobs. Who remembers those, what their jobs are? Let's start with the roots. What's the job for the roots? Why is he so important? Yes, very good. He's important because he absorbs all the water. He takes in all the water and the nutrients from the soil and he gives it to the plant. Now, what else does the roots do that's important? Yes, they give him, he's like the feet of the plant. He's the base of the plant. He makes sure that the plant can stand up nice and tall. And if he doesn't grow well and spread his roots, he won't be able to keep the plant standing tall. He might dwindle. So we don't want that. So that's why the roots are so important. Now, why did we say the stem is important? Can you remember why we said the stem is important? Yes, very good. We said that the stem is important because it helps the plant to stand up tall. Right? It's like our back. If we don't have a nice strong back and we're like this all the time, our bodies won't be able to function as well as it should, right? We need to stand up nice and tall. So that's what our stem is. Our stem is our back. Very good. And then all of the nutrients that the roots absorb, what does it do up the stem? It travels up the stem and to the rest of the plant, right? Good job. So we have done our roots and we have colored in our stem. Do you know what might be the next part of the plant that we're going to be learning about? Can you guess? I'm going to give you a hint. There are two of them on my picture. Great job, the two leaves. So today we're going to learn why the leaves are important and what they do for the plant. Because we know that every part of the plant has a very important job. Do you think you can figure out what is important about the leaves? I'm going to give you a few minutes to think. What does the leaves do for the plant? Great job! The leaves absorb the sunlight from the plant. Now, sometimes what we say the leaves are doing is that they're sunbathing. Have you ever sunbathed before? Have you just lie down in the sun and taken in all the sun and then your body gets a little browner? Yeah. So what happens is the leaves are taking in all the sun. And what happens is the leaves are turning the sunlight into food. So what part of our body do we take in food? Yes, we take in food from our mouths. So when the leaves are taking in the sunlight, that's taking in the food. And do you think food is important? Why is it important for us to take in food? It is important for us to take in food because it helps us to grow. So the plant needs the food to help it to grow. Good job. So I have a little video for you to watch. It's in the description and you're going to watch it up until 51 seconds. It's a video which we've been learning about each time. Please, if you would like, you can pause it at every part and just go through and see if they can tell you what the different part of the video, a part of the plant the importance of it and what it does for the plant. So I'm going to let you do that and come back to me. Great job, guys. Did you enjoy that video? So what did the video say about the leaves? Yes, that it takes in the sunlight and that it provides food for the plant. Great job. Okay. Now what I would like you to do, sorry about the noise. Neighbors are a little noisy this morning. But I would like you to, you're going to go and get a big leaf from outside. I want you to find the biggest leaf and I want you to bring it back in and I want you to show me a video of the leaf. I want you to show me both sides of the leaf. Now, go ahead and get it and you can come back to me. Okay, great job. Now, the leaf has two sides, right? There's usually a soft side and a more unsmooth side. And the unsmooth sides have little lines on them. Do you know what we call them? Yeah, we call them the veins. Yes, the veins of the leaf. And those veins are what transports all the food and the nutrients from the plant. Very good. So what you're going to do with that leaf is you are going to paint one side of the leaf, that side of the leaf with the little lines on it, the little veins, and you're going to print it down onto a paper so that the leaf print comes out. You can choose 2 different colors of paint. You can choose 1 color of paint, but it's up to you. You could do multiple stamps of leaves. It's up to you. Okay? And then to finish up our lesson, you're going to identify the leaves on the plant by coloring in the leaves in yellow. So we've colored the stem in green, we've colored around the roots, the soil in brown, and we have colored and we're going to color the leaves in yellow. Now, before I wrap up, remember we learned about the 5 needs of a plant? Can anybody remind me what the 5 needs are? There's water, great job, soil, air, I said water, sunlight, and space. Great job. So why the leaves are so important is because one of the needs of the plant is to have sunlight. So if there's no sunlight and we put the plant in a cupboard or we put it under in a dark room, do you think that it's going to get the nutrients from the sunlight as if it was outside sitting in the sun and absorbing it? No. Great job. So the plants need to be outside getting all that sunlight so that they can get the food as one of the needs for it to grow. Great job. All right, so now you're going to go and paint your leaf and you're going to color your leaves after in yellow. All right, you can finish off by watching the video again up to 51 seconds if you would like. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you soon.